got fire. You're barely gonna be able to hear me. Sorry guys, but we've got fires burning all around. And there's this crazy windstorm this afternoon. It blew all the smoke down to us. So it was pretty bad. We had to stay inside with the air purifiers going, and even now I have to have a mask on. But where the windstorm was causing problems earlier by bringing all the smoke down to us and by spreading the fires, now it looks like it's starting to help clear things up. Not only that, the rest of the storm is starting to hit, and so it's cooled down quite a bit, and it should be raining soon, which we are definitely ready for it to do that. Clean up this air, put the fires out, hopefully, or at least give the firemen some assistance, and then people can go back to their houses and not be worrying about them burning down, and then people like me can breathe outside. I have a whole bunch of flowers I bought today, and I'd really like to be able to plant them tomorrow. Hopefully the air will be clear enough that we'll be able to do that comfortably. We'll see, but I'm gonna go back in the house until this gets a little better. But it's way better than it was even an hour ago. An hour ago I couldn't be outside. Yeah, so it is improving, but welcome to fire season in Utah. Here we go again. Please do not use fireworks, my fellow Utahns and anyone else, where it's, for one thing, not legal yet, and for another, it's dry. Fires will start. Anyway, there's my rant. That is that. Oh, wait. And now I'm going back in the house. Everyone be safe out there.